Hi, dear Didge family, how are you, my sisters and brothers? And I'm here in beautiful Spain, or I should say Basque Country.
Up to you. Up to you.
Well, I'm here with my beautiful Didgeridoo brother, Iban Nikolai.
Hello, everybody. How are you?
And yeah, 20 years ago, I remember teaching him, and he was one of those students that could pick up everything straight away. I was very impressed. So he became a professional didgeridoo player too. And let's do another video about playing together. So Iban, tell me your ideas. What is important if you play together?
Okay, I think mainly it's important to be tuned in the same tune with the didgeridoo. If I'm playing a didgeridoo in E, for example, Liz has to be playing in E as well. But the most important thing for me of playing together, I think, is to listen to the other. Yeah, just we have to be listening carefully. What does the other say, and what is the sound of the other? Then we have to just put in front of and see the didgeridoo of each person and listen to the sound of the other. Very, very, very important. Not just listening your own sound. And the clap sticks or bilma, they help a lot when you are playing with another person, another people. Yeah, then you can feel the rhythm and don't miss the rhythm. Mainly, I could say that. So very important to the listening and the position that you are playing with the other guy or girl.
Yeah. So the nice thing is we have didgeridoos that can get longer and shorter, and so it's super easy to play together. If one person has a didgeridoo that can be longer or shorter, you know, and somebody has one that is longer and shorter, you can play together, because the one with the tunable didgeridoo can
go to the other.
Yeah, make the same note as the other. So the longer, the lower; the shorter, the higher.
Nice. Very important to tune. Yeah. If we are not tuning in the same note, we can tune in the third note or the fifth or the octave.
Yeah. So let's look at that for a moment. If I play a G, Iban can play an E, and that's a third. And for me, this is not so perfect, because you still have interference, two notes that are sort of bumping onto each other. But a fifth will work. But then you have quite a high instrument and quite a low instrument. But that also can work. But this is actually beautiful for me.
Yeah, for me too.
The third is a bit like, okay, if I have to do it, okay, maybe I can work with it. But the fifth, definitely. Can you play G? Then I'll try to play an octave lower on this.
Very important again to listen to the other. When I was playing, I was just listening to my didgeridoo because it has a bigger belly. I couldn't listen the didgeridoo of Liz.
Yeah.
Then I had to get my volume down. Yeah. So that's very important. Always the listening and the conversation between the two musicians.
Yeah. So the bigger bell means that basically his didgeridoo is louder. So I could also play really at him, so then he will definitely hear me. I'm gonna play the drop octave. You wait 1 second.
Okay.
So
sure.
That's also one of my tutorials about the multi-drone. So this is about tuning. This is important and about listening. So there might be a chance where the two didgeridoos are not. They're not going to go together. You won't have a tunable one, and you will have the two different tones.
As yesterday, I was playing a D sharp didgeridoo, and you were playing a G.
Yeah.
But we really had fun because Liz was doing the percussion style or the beatboxing or different sounds, while I was keeping like making a solo with my tune in D sharp. Yeah. Then we had really fun.
It was working. So let's show you how to do that. I'm gonna just play like. Thank you, Iban.
Thank you very much.
Mwah. Mwah. So,
Thank you.
another idea of how to play together, and love from the Basque Country.
Goodbye.
Bye bye, ciao.
Ciao.